Gamers and travelers, get ready. Nintendo is leveling up with a brand new specialty store, and this time, it's heading west. That's right. Nintendo is opening its very first store in Western Japan with Nintendo Fukuoka, coming at the end of 2025. After launching Nintendo Tokyo in 2019, followed by stores in Osaka and Kyoto, this will be Japan's fourth official Nintendo shop. And it's landing in Fukuoka City, the largest city on the island of Kyushu. What makes Nintendo Fukuoka extra special? It's located inside Amu Plaza at JR Hakata City, which is directly connected to the Shinkansen bullet train line. That means fans can hop off the train and dive straight into Nintendo magic, even on a tight travel schedule. Like its sister stores, Nintendo Fukuoka will offer everything from adorable plushies and fashion to Nintendo consoles, games, and exclusive merch. Whether you're shopping for yourself or bringing back gifts, it'll be a paradise for fans. And with Fukuoka's major international airport nearby, the store is set to become a must-visit spot for tourists from all across Asia and beyond. While there's no exact date yet, Nintendo says the Fukuoka store will open by the end of 2025. So mark your calendars and get your wallets ready. Excited for Nintendo Fukuoka? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more news from around Japan.
Catch you next time.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.